By the end of this episode, you'll understand why drinking enough water is super important for your body and how to make it a simple habit every day. You'll feel better, have more energy, and even think more clearly. Welcome to Daily English Bites. Have you ever felt tired or had a headache, but you weren't sure why? Sometimes the answer is very simple. You just need to drink more water. Our bodies need water for everything. It's like fuel for a car. Without enough fuel, the car can't run well. Your body is the same. It needs water to work correctly. Let's talk about why water is so good for you. First, water helps your body stay hydrated. Hydrated means your body has enough water inside it. When you are hydrated, all your body parts work better. Your brain works better, your muscles work better, and your skin looks healthier. Think about a plant. When a plant gets enough water, it looks fresh and green. When it doesn't, it looks dry and sad. Your body is a bit like that plant. Staying hydrated is key. Second, water helps your body to get rid of waste. When you eat food, your body uses what it needs, but it also creates waste products. Water helps to flush these waste products out of your body. It helps your kidneys work well. Your kidneys are like filters for your body. They clean your blood. Water helps them do their job. It's really important for your health. So drinking water helps you feel clean inside. Third, water can help you with your energy levels. If you feel tired often, it might be because you are not drinking enough water. When your body is dehydrated, even a little bit, you can feel very tired. You might feel sleepy or have low energy. Drinking some water can often give you a quick energy boost. It's much better than drinking sugary drinks or coffee all the time. Have you ever noticed that? A glass of water can really wake you up. So how much water should you drink? This is a common question. There isn't one perfect answer for everyone. It depends on many things. For example, it depends on how much you exercise. If you exercise a lot, you need more water. It also depends on the weather. If it's hot outside, you need more water. But a good general goal is 8 glasses of water a day. Each glass is about 250 milliliters, so that's about 2 liters in total. This is a good starting point for most people. Now let's talk about how to make drinking water a habit. It can be hard to remember. Here are some simple tips. First, always carry a water bottle with you. This is a great way to remind yourself to drink. If the water is always there, you are more likely to drink it. You can refill it during the day. This makes it easy to stay hydrated. Second, drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. When you wake up, your body has been without water all night. It needs to rehydrate. Drinking water before coffee or breakfast is a wonderful habit. It kickstarts your day in a healthy way. Try it tomorrow. Just 1 glass of water right after you get out of bed. It really makes a difference. Third, drink water before every meal. This is another good trick. It helps you remember to drink. It also can help you feel a little full. This might help you eat a bit less during your meal. So, a glass of water before breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's 3 glasses already. You're already halfway to your goal of 8 glasses. Fourth, set reminders on your phone. If you often forget, your phone can help. You can set alarms to go off every hour or two. Each time the alarm rings, drink some water. This is a simple way to build the habit. After a while, you might not even need the alarms anymore. Your body will start to tell you when it's time to drink. Fifth, make your water more interesting. If you don't like plain water, you can add things to it. Try adding slices of lemon, lime, or cucumber. You can also add some berries like strawberries or blueberries. This gives your water a nice flavor. It makes it more enjoyable to drink. This is called infused water. It's a healthy and tasty way to stay hydrated. Remember, staying hydrated is not just about feeling good today. It's about your long-term health. When you drink enough water every day, you are helping your body stay strong and healthy for many years to come. It helps your heart, your brain, and all your organs. It's a simple change that has big benefits. Let's recap some of the key ideas. We learned that being hydrated means your body has enough water. We also talked about how water helps to flush out waste from your body. And we discussed how drinking water can give you an energy boost. These are all important reasons to drink more water. Think about how you feel right now. Do you feel a little tired? Or maybe your brain feels a bit foggy? Try drinking a large glass of water after this episode. See if you feel any difference. You might be surprised at how quickly you feel better. It's amazing what a little water can do. It's also important to know that you can get water from other things too. Fruits and vegetables contain a lot of water. For example, watermelon is almost all water. Cucumbers are also very watery. Eating these foods can help you stay hydrated too, but plain water is still the best. Don't wait until you feel thirsty to drink water. Thirst is a sign that your body is already a little dehydrated. Try to drink regularly throughout the day. Make it a part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or eating meals. It's a fundamental part of taking care of yourself. So start small. Don't try to drink 2 liters of water all at once if you're not used to it. Add 1 extra glass of water today, then another one tomorrow. Slowly, you will build up the habit. Your body will thank you for it. You'll notice changes in your skin, your mood, and your energy. It's a very simple step towards a healthier you. Thank you for joining me today on Daily English Bites. I hope you feel encouraged to drink more water. Remember, staying hydrated is a key to feeling your best.